Hi, this is Rich from NT Slot Cars, and today I'm going to have a short little video here of two cars I built. First, see if I can find the Viper car here. Yeah, this is a Viper chassis, standard V1. So I'm going to run that. And this chassis here is a G3, which I found in my box. So I bought some new parts for it. This one has a 3.5 timed arm in it. And then I have this one, which I don't have a rear end for. We'll have to pop one of those other ones out to run it. This is also a G3. And this has a 2.4 arm in. It's not balanced, so not quite as, I don't think it's as quick as this one. This one really runs. So I'm going to run these, set the camera up and run these on the track. This body's really loose on here, but it's the only bodies I have right now. So we'll just quick run them and show you what they can do. Okay, I'm going to run the Viper first, then I'll run the two G3s. Alright, that was the Viper car. Now I'll run the 1G3. Whoop. Okay. Okay, that was the G3. You can see that on the back there. But I'll pop this rear end and put in the other G3, which is a 2.4. This was 3.5 balanced. So that runs pretty good too. I'm not keen on the body, but we'll get some new bodies maybe in the next show I go to, but it won't be one till fall. But so that's about it today. Just thought I'd show you that, and see you in the next one. Bye.